Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. So, we're going to demonstrate here on a 2012 Ford F-150 that we have right here, but even if you have, guys, different year, that generation video may be helpful. You have two fuse boxes, but we will be working on in the fuse box that's right under the hood, right here, guys, you can see. Right under the hood, above the radiator fan, that's where, okay, that fuse box is located. You're going to open it, and once you open the fuse box, it will look just like that, guys. You will be on this side, and the relays on this side will be facing, actually, guys, they will be facing the windshield. So let's explain which relay you need to check specifically. It could be two of them for the transmission control module now. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in, and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below, specifically to that video. Please check it out. Now, we explain why it's important to test relays and fuses. Now let's explain which relay you need to check. By the way, those could be really expensive relays at the parts store, guys, okay? So we'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can get them from at a good price, quick shipping. I always recommend to keep some spares in the car. If you're in the middle of nowhere, you can always replace it. The relay that we'll need to check is known as a PCM relay, but it's actually for the transmission too, because that's powertrain control module. This will be relay number one on the top left side right here. That relay will need to be checked, guys. And if you have the 3.5 engine, okay, you need to check that relay here as well. That's for the PCM. But that one, check for the transmission, that relay for sure. Hey guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Leave a comment below. We'll try to make a video for your specific problem. Like, subscribe, comment, let us know what you think. And guys, by the way, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels, videos that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Thank you for watching and see you next time.